गोंय भाजपान काँग्रेसीच्या 10 आमदारांनी विधिमंडळ गट विलीन केल्ल्यान भाजपाच्या आमदारांची संख्या 27चेर पावल्या. भाजपाक स्वताचे सरकार करपा खातीर आतां अपक्ष आनी हेर पक्षांची गरज ना. भाजप, गोंय फॉरवर्ड आनी अपक्षाच्या तिकेयेंचेर आशिल्ले प्रमोद सावंताच्या मंत्रिमंडळान व्हड बदल जावपाचे आसात. तातूंत काँग्रेसींतल्या आयिल्ल्या आमदारांचोय आस्पाव आसतलो. कांय जाणांची मंत्री म्हूण सोपूतविधी सुवाळो शेनवारा राजभवनाचेर जातलो. गोंय राज्य मंत्रिमंडळाची संख्या 12 आशिल्ल्यान प्रमोद सावंत सरकारान मंत्री म्हूण आसात. तातूंतल्यान कांय जाणांची मंत्रीपदां काडून सोपूत घेवपी नव्या मंत्र्याक भाजप दितलो. तातूंत गोंय फॉरवर्डाच्या मंत्र्यांचोय आस्पाव आसपाक शकता अशी शक्यताय आसा. ह्या संबंदान गोंय फॉरवर्डाचो उपाध्यक्ष दुर्गादास कामताक विचारल्यार तो म्हणटा, तें जातलें तेन्ना पळोवया. भाजपाक पयलीं कितें तो निर्णय घेवनी. तशेंच मायकल लोबो उलयता ताचेर आपणाक उलोवपाचें ना. तो प्रत्येक दीस वेगळें उलयता. गोंय फॉरवर्ड वचत रावतलो.
सरकार बीजेपीचे आता 10 जाण घेतले ताजे मागीर
पण 10 जाण कोणाक घेतला देम टू आन्सर न्ही. नथिंग हॅज बीन कम्युनिकेटेड टू अस एटलीस्ट अबाउट थिंग. प्रेसिडेंट वी आर बिझी विथ आवर पार्टी मिटिंग्स. तशें कांय ना. पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट विल बी लायकली टू brief a press conference in the evening at Panji party office.
Mr. Michael Lobo says that alliance partners have become too proud and all of a sudden, which is why now they might be dropping. He has clearly hinted at Goa Forward and independence, although he has not taken name. Do you think that this is the end for the coalition here?
See, Michael Lobo, what he's spoken, I don't know. Because every day he changes statements every day, like a frog. So I don't want to comment on it. Nothing as of now from the ruling side. We are busy with our meetings, and if anything is, let them communicate to us. We have not got, our president has not got any communication regarding the.
मगर ये अलायंस गवर्नमेंट में है ना, मिनिस्टर वो लोगों को बहुत ईगो है, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं.
कौन बोला है? अब मैं मिनिस्टर नहीं ना, मैं कैसे बात करूँ?
बस आपका पार्टी का मिनिस्टर लोग है ना.
उसने नाम नहीं लिया ना, नाम लिया बिना मैं कैसे बात करेगा?
Okay, what is the road ahead for Goa Forward?
Goa will move forward. And
But
Goa
will the
forward,
party move forward?
see, party is there to move forward in the leadership of Vijay Sardesai. No? Goa Forward is formed to take Goa forward and to keep going Garpond intact, and we are there for that only. Take Goa forward.
आपको क्या लगता है गोवा फॉरवर्ड का स्टेप क्या रहेगा?
Any legal plan that?
Let us take a step when it comes, no? Yeah.
But did you expect this move from the BJP?
So it is between
Because
the
you all said
BJP and the Congress to talk about this. See, none of our MLAs have gone there. Our MLAs are here intact. So our MLAs have not gone. So let BJP answer and the Congress answer. You should ask this to Congress, the five senior ex-chief minister of the Congress.
Any
as a Goan voter to kishan bhai Ajir Muhajir as a voter.
See, if you see social media yesterday, people of Goa are watching.
Okay.
Social media has reacted.